And now, Chad Sanwell, your weather authority.
Yes, Greg Kerr, a wind chill. Very good. Live Weather Network camera brought to you by Do Good and Roofing 911. Pretty quiet in Beaumont right now. Not much traffic on Interstate 10. We are looking at the cloud cover increasing, and as the winds continue to turn to the south, temperature is actually going to be going up overnight. Big story over the next couple of days. Not going to be the rain tomorrow. Not going to be the rain early Friday. It's the severe potential that we have Friday night into Saturday. It's an enhanced risk for severe storms. Numerous storms possible, persistent and or widespread. Some of those certainly will be intense. We're talking a level 3 of a 5 scale. So enhanced is what we're looking at. East Texas, western portions of Louisiana. Get ready late Friday night into Saturday. That is our next weather maker. We're going to look at all the indices that go into this. Plenty of moisture going to start picking up through the night tonight and through Thursday. That's when we'll start to see our rain chances pick up. We'll see a little bit of a break late Thursday night into Friday, but on Friday afternoon, the rain comes back in and we get ready for some big time storms Friday night into Saturday. There's the upper level low kind of spinning around the Red River. It will continue to eventually move off to the east, but until then, we're going to be looking at the potential for some big storms. The other thing you need, in addition to the moisture, you need some energy in the lower levels. Not much happening Thursday night, certainly into early Friday. That's one of the reasons that the rain that we're going to see, just rain, garden variety showers, not real intense. But Friday evening, we start seeing the energy really increasing out to the west, and this is where we think the storms will start to fire up. They'll continue marching eastward, so just after midnight between then and 3 a.m., the energy levels pick up across East Texas, stretching from Shreveport all the way down to Galveston. This is when we think we'll probably see some of our strongest storms here in southeast Texas. Eventually, that pushes off to the east by early Saturday morning. So again, Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon, our conditions improve. We've got moisture, we've got energy, so now we need an unstable environment. In this time of year, anytime as we look at the instability, you get a value 1,000 or higher, you're looking at some pretty unstable conditions. And that is certainly the case going from Friday into Saturday morning. Close to 2,000 here in Beaumont, close to 2,400 in Houston. So we're looking at some very unstable conditions along with the moisture that we have and the energy. Everything coming together for a big time thunderstorm event as we head through the overnight hours Friday into Saturday. So starting tomorrow, cloud cover is going to be there into the afternoon, a little bit of light rain. Heading into Friday, perhaps a bit of a break, but then by Friday evening, we start to see the rains picking up again. Maybe a few thunderstorms in the early part of the evening. 60% coverage is what we're looking for, but the bulk of the activity is going to be Friday night into Saturday. Strongest storms, I think, maybe up around Lufkin, but we still have enough energy and moisture in place where we could still see some pretty intense storms ourselves. Again, between, say, the 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. time frame, continuing through the early morning hours, but eventually by Saturday afternoon, things start to calm down a bit and we'll be looking for what should be a pretty pleasant into the weekend. So we're going to see some pretty strong storms. All modes of severe weather will be possible, but we're also going to be looking for the potential for some heavy rain. 2 to 3 inches, not uncommon across the area. Don't think we'll see a problem with flooding because the system is going to be moving through fairly quickly. But what we will see, very high winds, looking at maybe 60, 70 mile an hour gusts in some locations, a moderate threat for tornadoes and also some heavy rain as it does move through. But like I said, with the system moving through as fast as it is, flooding should not be a concern. That's going to bring us to our forecast tonight. Temperatures are heading up overnight, a little unusual, upper 50s to lower 60s. Winds out of the southeast will be gusting close to 20 miles an hour, 64 in Beaumont, 65 in Port Arthur. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, a 40% coverage of showers. At times, we could see the winds gusting as high as 30 miles an hour, 72 in Beaumont, 71 in Port Arthur in Orange. There's your extended forecast over the next 7 days, brought to you by Philpott Ford. Rain chances start tomorrow, but the intensity peaks Friday night into Saturday.
Big time storms, thank you.
Yeah.